Hi guys, we are reacting today. Alternate remake. So guys, bawal dito sa bata na to kasi bawal dito sa 4, sa 3, sa 2. Oh, bawal 'yan. Kasi nakakatakot yung papanoodin natin, guys. Ito, yan. 3, 2, 1 to, guys. Alternate to, guys. Kung gusto nyo basahin, okay, pause nyo na lang. Yes. Di na po nabasa ba? Yan na, ready. Go. Double game. Ito, double game. Okay, ito. Totoo ba yan? Hindi dati pa yan. Ginahan lang talaga sila. Grabe ka na di. Guys, totoo ba yan? OMG, stupid ba? Oh, weird. Ito ba yung alternate? Real. Diba? Akala ko yan yung real. Saan na to? Nasa Roblox yan yung mukha niya. Roblox? Guys, ayoko niyo pala ito panoodin. Ito to, may EXO. Yun lang? Yun lang? Okay guys, may iba tayo papanoodin. So, wait. Okay guys, nag-ads lang pala. Pabayaan mo na yung mukha nila. Okay. Ito yung next na papanoodin natin. Pinost ko na. Gumagalaw na yung timer. Emergency broadcast system. Na-stuck siya. EBC.
At this time it is advised that you lock all your doors and
Lock
windows.
all your doors
Do not
now.
open the door for anyone, even if it looks like a normal human being. Even if you hear your door open or window shatter, do not react. Find a safe hiding place in your home and do not make any noise. If a family member is outside, do not intend to pick them up. Make sure to turn off all television sets and radios once this broadcast is complete. I repeat, do not have your television on once this broadcast is finished. If you see anyone who looks like a human on your television set with impossible features, look away as quickly as possible. It is very important to hide all children from television sets with disturbing imagery. If you hear anyone in your yard or inside your house that sounds like a human, assume it isn't. If you have access to any loaded weaponry, make sure to have it on you at all times. If you see anyone who has biologically impossible features, make sure to run and hide. If you see a clone of yourself or somebody else you know, run.
Lang. Guys, si E umalis. Wait lang, tatawagin natin. Ano si E umalis? Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo. Wag mo panoodin. Tignan mo talaga. Hoy! Ayun si E. Ayun nila. Ganda na ulap siya.
Ayan nila, Audrey.
Tayo eh! Ang pangit ni A. Pangit ni A. Pangit ni A. No? Tignan mo. Nanood pa siya. Uy, manood ka dito! Tama na! Parang baliw. Sabi daw, magre-react. Tama na! Lambat lang ang umupo dito. Sabi, bawal dito. May jeep dito.
Sumakay ako sa jeepney.
Hindi, si kuya yung tayo nakasakay.
Ako si
Si kuya.
Ikaw ang nakatabi.
Oh. Tumabi nga kayo. Okay guys, ito na.
And hide. Don't try to save your pets from any harm that may happen if an intrusion occurs, because it could cost you your life. Make sure to hide your children and be prepared for the worst.
OMG. Okay guys, gusto nyo papanood? Sa next bot.
We are currently
Ito na,
receiving
guys.
countless reports of an unidentified hostile organism that we'll refer to as alternates.
Until we have a complete understanding of the threat, it's important to stay home, lock all doors and windows, and have access to a loaded firearm or any ranged weapon at all times.
At yung
You will
pagtapos
know.
natin to, yung pagtapos natin to, yung pagtapos natin to, panoodin at tsaka gabi na. Takot na tayo.
If an alternate exists solely based on their physical characteristics, if you see another person that looks identical to you, run away and hide. If you see a person that has a biologically impossible characteristic, run away and hide. If one manages to break into your home, refrain from any kind of communication or contact with the threat.
Kapag daw may alternate, magtago kayo. O kaya, dapat may hawak kayo na parang mabigat, yung parang shotgun, yung kahoy na ganito. Basta mabigat. Gawin mo sa ulo ng alternate, mamamatayan agad. Kahit baril ba sa ulo. Kahit puno, saan mo yung saan mo makukuha yung puno? Putulin, gabi na. Parang baliw. Okay na.
These intelligent life forms utilize elements of psychological warfare to take advantage of their victims. While we heavily discourage any form of contact or communication with an alternate, we make exceptions for attempts at executing them yourself.
You need a lead. You need a lead! Ano to? The Pink Princess. Always a figure. Hinder. Identify the class type.
Bakit nakapakit ako?
Ang corner. Ano daw? Kill yourself. There's no enough room. Know your place in reality. Know your enemy. Tinanad type 1. Toboggan. Ito. Hindi, ayan.
Ito, yung nasa laro. Diba? Sa next box. Next box. Ano yan?
VGSD. So, sasalita tayo. Hindi, yan yung magsasalita sila. Panoorin. Hindi yan yung real mag-friend lang sila. Magsasalita sila, like. Yan na, magtatawag sila. Pinanood sa akin to.
Hey, it's Caesar. I hope it's not too late.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. What's up? Are you alright?
Yeah, it's not me, it's my mom. She's knocked out cold and I have no idea why. I'm on my way to the ER, but could you do me a favor?
Yeah, of course. What is it?
I just need you to come over and turn on the cameras we have set up. You know the ones that we installed after we were robbed?
Oh, yeah. Would you mind if I asked why?
Oh, well, she screamed really loud right before I found her on the ground. I just...
Well, do you have your doors and windows locked? Like what the broadcast told us to do?
Yeah, that's the weird part. Maybe she saw something? I don't know.
Alright. I mean, it shouldn't be too bad. I'm just gonna switch them on and get out of there, though. You know how I feel about your house.
Wait lang, hindi ko narinig.
Yeah,
Ano ba sabi
that's
niya?
fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Basta
One
ko
last
na yan.
thing. Try to get a good view.
Nakatanong ko yung lalay kanila.
Yan na siya naging. Okay. Bro, what happened to you?
Okay.
Alright, I gotta go. I'm almost at the hospital. Thank you.
Wala, tapos na yung tawag nila. Siya pa-drive na sa ospital. Edward Blas Hospital.
Napanood mo na yan?
Pinanood sa akin dun sa Baguio. Si Kuya ano.
Oo, wala ka makakapagod.
Ano ba to?
Sinasampot si Kuya.
Yun nga, nasa hospital na siya. Hindi yan hospital.
Hospital ata yung dati.
Grabe naman hospital na yan, ang liit.
Baka pahaba.
Uy, bawal nga lumabas eh. Ba't ka lumabas? No? Yung balita nga, bawal lumabas eh. Paano ito? Ito mo, makita mo pa yung doppelganger. Ayan yung CCTV camera. CCTV camera pa niya. Sino ito? Yan nga, CCTV camera pa niya. Oh, okay, ano yun? Addict niya. Eh, hindi. Oh, addict ba yan? Oh, basement. Yan yung labas ulit. Yan, CCTV yan.
Ang karipin CCTV lobby.
Motion detected. Recording start. Go! Ano ba yung makikita ng tao na yan?
Go na go!
Alternate.
Kaya po nakikita ng alternate.
Kasi
So, ulit ko. Yung Patricia tsaka ano,
Uy,
Ryan
ano
tsaka
yan?
Kiko.
What's that?
Daanan ata. Buhok yan. Anong buhok? Sa'yo din nababaliw na naman. Oh, takot na takot eh. Wala pa nga. CCTV lang yan, Toy.
Ano? CCTV lang yan.
No?
Kala ko may pa ganun. Ba't nawala?
Oh, creepy na, creepy na.
Uy! Okay, nabukas na.
Okay, takpan na ang mata.
Ba. Sound is detected. File and recording start.
Who are you? Get away from me! No!
Babae ba to?
Hindi. It followed me home.
I have a gift for you.
Uy, ano pa ginagawa mo dyan? Magtago ka.
I will not hurt
Ano yung boses na?
Dito ka na I do not want to see what is on the other side, okay? But it has been days at ano, and nobody come to help me. Kawawa ka naman, namatay ka na. Magbumura yan eh, magbumura. Sasabihin niya, bastard! O diba? At saka binaril niya, pero hindi gumana. At saka pinatay siya. Yan o. Hawak ng alternate yung camera. Ipapakita ng alternate yung camera sa taong pinatay niya. Eh? Ah, wait. Ayun mo yung best friend niya? Ha? Best friend. Ito na. Ayun na yung sa ano? Ayun na yung pinatay niya? Hindi, yun yung sa ano, diba? Sa next bot. Yun yung mukha? Ha? Hindi gumagalaw.
Patay na nga, di ba? Nagalaw pa ba?
Nakikipipin na. Ba't yung ipatakas daw dito?
Teka ko nga nandito.
Okay lang yan. Ako pag may mga... Yan o. Pinatay na... Ano, geto yung alternate. Gumaganon. At saka siya, nakahawak ng baril. Yung alam mo yung ano, yung sabi niya,
Ayun ang hawak ng baril niya.
oh, sabi niya, you F bastard! At saka binaril. Pero tinamaan siya dito sa ulo. Pero hindi siya gumana. Kasi ano, kapag daw hindi ka daw natatakot sa alternate, may hina sila. Pero kapag natatakot ka daw sa alternate, malalakas daw sila. binaril niya siya, pero hindi gumana kasi sa sobrang takot niya. Kaya kinuha niya siya at saka pinatay niya. At ganito yung tao. May nakakatakot na talaga. Ay ganito yung tao.
Gab, naka-vlog
At saka
tayo
yung
ha.
alter. Sorry. Okay guys. There's a following footage. Illegal area. This is the ano ba? If you access to this recording, dito na basa.
Diba? Di ko nga dinabasa.
Then come to police department position emergency call apparatus.
While at the station, a situation may occur where the local 911 dispatchers run out of operators to
Nagagandahan
handle
ako sa
calls,
boses.
Hindi, ito
so
na
they
yung
are
bagong
given to
balita.
us instead.
Sabi daw nila, wag nyo daw tawagin ang pulis o bago kayo mamamatay. Kasi kapag tinawagan nyo ang pulis, maririnig nila yung tawag. Diba? Diba yung tatawagin natin mama natin, gaganon, tit, tit, diba? Oo. Maririnig ng alternate. Di, mahuhuli niya siya.
Edi chat.
The only three
Chat,
scenarios that
gagawin
you will
niya.
handle with
Kapag may pinipindot ka na letters, geto.
Yung akin walang tunog. Ano ka ba? Ay, tawag.
Ganun yun naman. Police.
Akin ganito lang.
At saka wag ginanon. At saka
when the caller needs the police, send available personnel to the address.
tsaka yung alternate, ang sobrang laki hanggang bahay na ganyan.
When the caller has a fire-related emergency, contact our neighboring fire department with the address
Kung
and a brief
police ka, tsaka may
description of the
baril kang
event.
hawak, boom, maganda ka na.
When the caller has a medical
At saka may
emergency,
alternate.
immediately
Huwag kang
contact the
lumapit,
Mandela
pulis ako,
Community
huhulihin kita.
Hospital.
Mama ko.
Ikaw si
Mama ko.
Ikaw si SCP alternate.
Pero yung mama ko. Ikaw
Here at
maglinis
the
ka na. Yung
Mandela
buti
County
abot mo yung
Police
taas.
Department, we
Nakikita
thank you
ka
for
nila.
doing this instruction.
Ayoko lang tunog na yun ah.
Do not call the reporting an alternate encounter. No matter how frantic they
Kahilan pa yan?
are. Kailan pa yan? Wait lang. Post lang natin to, guys. It's 2 years ago. Okay.
Nangyari sa'yo, be, ano? Dito tayo, pag ganito tayo, guys.
The call can be ended. Do not.
You need a lift.
Pag ito lang. Pag ganyan, at saka gumanon yung alternate sa atin. Tapos bigla ko nasipa.
Ang dami naman tao.
Oh, you need a lift!
Gab, yung paa mo, ang laki. Ano, lipat kaya tayo pwesto? Doon tayo kila ano? Doon tayo sa bahay niyo.
Ito, do not speak too much. You might accidentally reveal your
Nothing is
fear.
worth the risk, nothing is worth the risk, nothing is worth the risk.
Ano?
Wait lang, ano natin? Ano daw sabi?
Nothing is worth the risk, nothing is worth the risk, nothing is worth the risk.
Nothing is worth the risk. A toddler, the videos. Stress assessment videos. Record your...
Nothing is worth the risk.
I-record mo daw.
Elay, naka-enroll ka na?
Toddler stress assessment video. Record your child response to the following medical.
Bakit?
Okay. Di ko
Kasi
alam.
ako pag umaga mo sa toilet daw.
Section 1. Section 1 daw. Section 1 na. Ayun na, bird. Diba bird?
Shut up.
Record response. Baby? Baby na tawa. at saka paano kaya may bata ka at saka may alternate na pumasok sa bahay nyo? Yung parang yung bata nyo, 2 years old, at saka sabi niya, Gugu Gaga! At saka yung pag, maka-vlog ka din. Diba?
Ano yun, kambing?
Tutong kambing si Ellen.
Oo, ang baka si Tuti sa taso.
Ay, si Timmy naiingit.
Si Timmy
Daddy didn't attack me.
Ba't kaya si Tuti? Ang taba.
And there's is a man in the closet. The Scary Night by Mark, age 4. School. Yeah, elementary school. 4K. Daddy didn't check under my bed last night. Bakit naman? So I went to mommy's room. I was scared. There was a scary knocking on the door. And the scariest part is walking the dark room by the stairs. Scary. Ano? Me. Ayan, me. At yan, scary. Ayan. Almost at mommy's room. Then I saw the man in the corner. Him. Baka naka-jack. Baka naka... And then I fell asleep the end. Ganyan yung story mo si Mark.
Tahimik lang.
Wow! Mini cakes. Uy, tino mo pusa. Sige, wait. Ha? Uy, tignan mo pusa.
Ba't may pusa?
Family. Wow. Balloon. Si Pennywise. Pennywise. Si Blue Pennywise.
Red Pennywise.
Uy, ano yan?
Ito yung dark room.
Ay, hindi. Yan yung ano. Yan yung bata. At saka, alam mo yung drawing niya na nakaganon siya? Yan. Yung nakaganon yung bata. Yung stick na drawing.
Oh.
At saka may tinurok siya dito na parang black na pito. Baka yan yun.
Tapos meron pang nakasulat dun, di ba? Na box.
Scary.
Ano?
Ayan yun. Yung pinicturean ng bata. Oo nga, yun nga.
Si Dawat.
Yan yung ano. Yung ano. Ano yung
Ano, SCP?
SCP ba yan?
Dito na lang kaya tayo upo para hindi scary. Dito ka sa gitna.
Wait lang.
Oh, naalala ko hindi ni Gab kaya yung ano. Gogi. Ay, baliktad.
Ma! Halika! Uma. Okay, that is the end of this video. Oh my God! Guys, bye!
Ano,
See you for the next video.
Mwah.
Ganun.